Yes, hey, welcome back. And yeah, I did the game of life yesterday, which was pretty fun to do. And I was thinking, have I exhausted everything? Do I have no content left? And I was pretty sad. What do I do for today? Will I go videoless for today? And then I suddenly remembered, I don't know what to tell, a kind of moment that happened a few years ago. I think about 2 years ago when suddenly Wordle popped off and everyone in their home was playing Wordle. Everyone who had a phone was playing Wordle once per day, trying to guess the word. There were many WhatsApp groups created just to tell, yes, I solved the Wordle today. Such a big accomplishment. And yeah, and in the same way it got popular, it died off. And I thought, okay, now let's look at some ancient history and let's just code up Wordle. And again, this won't be any GUI or in website or anything. It will be in the format of console. And you can, yeah, with some minor modifications, you can map it to website or you can make it as a web page also. And yeah, so now enough of what to tell, beating around the bush and let's directly get into it. And like always, let's begin by defining the class and we will have some initialization and pass. Let's not do anything for now. We will do everything as and when required. Like again, I will tell whenever you are coding something or doing anything, don't try to do everything in the beginning itself. Just go with the flow. And whenever you require anything, just do that. If you try to plan out too much and all, at the end you will be left thinking what to do, what to do, what to do. And I have defined this how to do. I have defined this how to complete that function and all. So just as the requirement comes, you just code it up. So now let's declare object of Wordle. And yeah, what did you do with Wordle? You played the game, so yeah, let's play the game. And yeah, so now what you have to do? What will be the initialization? First, you have to have an array of words so that you can like select a random word. And yeah, as soon as you have random, you should do only one thing: import it. So let's declare an array. Let's call it words. Until initially have nothing. Yeah, let's have two words like let's have words itself and the other one any highlight a word. Okay, this is shocking. I can't think of a single highlighter word. Yeah, maze. No, not maze. What am I doing? HYDR ready. No. Yeah, quick. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Thinking of 5 letter words is really hard. Yeah. We'll do one thing. We will not directly set the. Yeah, let's directly set it over here. Yes. And yeah, now what you have to do? While playing, what you have to do? Just think about it once. First, you have to generate the word or like pick a random word from these two. So what you have to do? Again, just think about it once. Yeah, I hope you can think enough. Again, it will have self. So what you will do? Take the words array over here and just compute its length which you already have. So now declare a self dot. Let's call it game words and let's also have a placeholder to like display our current position also. Yeah, placeholder will be an array because yeah, or you can use string also, but I will use array and you can't stop me. So now what you have to do? Take the words and select a random word from that. So take the words array and from that you have to select a random word. Like how we will do that? Just again, don't think about it too much and just give it a minute and like think what you can do. So you have to select a random word. So random dot random. Again, random take two positions like the beginning and the ending. The beginning will be 0 and the ending will be self dot word length. Yeah, I have to add a minus one over here because last index is non-inclusive. Yeah, and set it to game word. Yeah, and now let's. Yeah, again I tell as soon as you do something, just print and check if you're doing properly. Game word, yeah. And now what you do? First you pick the word. Oh, 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 you saw nothing, and so did I. And is it recording? Yes, it is. Yes, you're actually getting the word. Yeah, as you see, it's picking word or yeah. Let's do the thing. Let's add one more. Oh my god, thinking of 5 letter word is really hard, man. Yeah, let's call boost 5 letters, and then he that's yeah. We got quick words quick. And let me save it once. Quick boost words quick. That's yeah. We're getting a random word from here, and also like uh, some portion of it is done. So now you pick the word and you selected the word also which you're going to do. Now what you will do? Now like much of this is done. Now what you can do is directly you have to select the populate the placeholder also. And placeholder will initially have nothing but this symbol tell that okay this is a blank word and it has not been found. I hope you know how Wordle works. You'll be given a 5 letter word. Yeah, I am talking about how to make pizza without telling you how to make the dough. And how Wordle works is that you will be given a blank, like you will be given 6 chances, and within 6 chances you have to guess the 5 letter word, and the 5 letter word can be anything. And what we'll do is that to like show the words which are to show the letter which has not yet been guessed, we'll use a underscore. Yeah, let's populate that in self placeholder. That is equal to yeah this words length. Yeah, and let's just print it out again. Again, I tell print and print. There is nothing wrong in printing and checking. Just placeholder words, and again, it should not be word length. Yeah, it should. Since it is given that our word will always be of length 5, we'll directly set it to 5. If you set it to word length, then you'll be left scratching your head. Yeah, 1, 2, yeah, that's what you want. You want to see a array with 5 levels, like 5 placeholders. And now what we'll do, we'll directly declare a print word also for each letter in placeholder. Just print the letter with ending value being space, and then print a new line to make it just to make it look more cleaner. Yeah. Again, let's test it out. Print word. Yeah, that's what you want to see. That's working perfectly. Now, what you have to do again, just think about like again, I'm telling, whenever you're doing something, just think of what you have to do and then proceed with doing, or else you'll be left like really confused. After taking the word, you have to start the game itself. So, let's call it start game and let's declare start game. So, what you have to do again? Again, I'm telling, just think like what order has, what are the rules. You'll be given 6 chances. So let's declare the chances first. Chances you have CHANCES, yes, fish chances. And while true, now let's just get rid of the base cases first. If chances becomes equal to 0, that means that you could not actually find the word. So let's directly print. Uh, yeah, that looks like a good statement. And then break out of the loop. And if yes, and then what you have to do, just iterate through each placeholder. And if no position in placeholder becomes an underscore, that means that we have actually found the word, because we are actually replacing the placeholder with the actual word, which actual letter which you have to replace. So each position in placeholder will be replaced with the appropriate letter. So this again do the same thing for placeholder. If letter becomes equal to underscore, that means that you still have the game left to play. So now let's have a flag. That means just set flag to 1, and then directly break out of the loop, because there's no use in checking further. And if there is not flag, that means that the game is actually over. So let's just directly print congratulations. I don't know what you'll tell. You found the word. Yeah, let's add some exclamatory symbols to make it look more appealing. And then again, yeah, the thing is you can't print this over here, because after breaking from this loop, it will go back to this, and again you have to check for that. So rather than that, we'll print it over here. Yeah, now what we'll do, we'll directly start to replace the placeholder. So now take the input. Yes. And now again, the rule is that it has to be a letter. It has to be lowercase, and it has to be, yeah. The thing is, we are actually considering everything to be lowercase. So what we'll do is we'll convert the letter to lowercase first, and then again it has to be a single letter word, and it should not be a number. So we'll do the checking for that. So what we can do, again start another while loop. Yeah, it is while inside while. Take letter, and if the length of the letter, if it is an alphanumeric character, is if it is an alphanumeric character, that means that it should actually continue, like the letter is valid. So if it is not an alphanumeric character, or the length of, yeah, I'll name it actually a method, or the length of the current letter is not equal to 1, that means that you actually typed a two letter word. If the length of the letter is not equal to 1, or yeah, that means that you still have to continue. So let's just print out some error message like the input must be a input must be not alphabet. Let's keep it grammatically correct also. Yeah, and after that again take the input. Yes. Now I think it's better we just test it out, because we wrote a lot of things without testing. And we'll do one thing, we'll then directly decrement the chances also. Yeah, let's break out after this one. And there is no while true over here. I don't know why I did that. What we can do is we can directly do this a while. And just you need to add break over here, and we'll just do like this. Yeah, let's just check it out, and we'll do, it should be an alphabet. Yeah, 1, no, 2, no, 3, no, 4, no. And put a, yeah, it's proceeding as required. So let's, yeah, it's telling that after, like, I put 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, it's telling. You could not find the word. Yeah, I think let's make it 7 times because 6 times will be a bit challenging. Okay, now majority of the code is done. So what we can do now, just like iterate and fill the placeholders. So for letter in game word, yeah, or you can do game word or placeholder. Both will have the same length of 5. So what you have to do, if the letter which you are checking, if it becomes equal to self dot game word at the position letter. Okay, I have used letter to tense over here. Let's call it something else. Let's call it letter input. Yeah. If the letter input which you're checking actually becomes equal to the self dot game word at the position letter, that means that we can directly replace the placeholder with the letter. Placeholder at the position letter, you can directly put the letter input. Yeah. And after doing everything, let's do one thing. And after we decrement the chances, we'll have one more method. Yeah, I will use F strings over here because it makes our lives much more convenient. And after doing each one, let's where shall we print it? Yeah, I think it's better to print it in the beginning itself. And after doing both the checks, yeah, it makes more sense to print it over. Yeah, we have declared it as self.print word. And I'm printing it somewhere else. I think it has been printed. Yeah, I'm printing it over here. So let's just remove that. Yeah, okay. We'll do one thing just to make our life easier. Let's just print the self.word also, game word also. Yeah, so that we can know if we are like doing it properly. Yeah, the actual word is that. So we'll put Q, not there. Yeah, we'll actually put Q. One is not an alphabet, my bad. Q. Okay, I think I broke it somehow. Yeah, let's just control C. Yeah, that is because I am calling it letter and not letter input. Yeah, whenever you make changes, be very careful of such stuff. Yeah, it's boost, so let's put Q. Oops, C. Like Q is not present, so let's put C. My God, C is also not present. What might the word be? Let's put yes. And you see, yes. Okay, yes, it's present in the last to second position. Let's put T. Okay. We are getting close. Let's put O. Oh, what can be a word which has wo in the OOST? I think it might be boost. Oh my God, no, it's boost. Okay, yeah, you should actually take care of that. I don't know why that's happening. So what we'll do? First, we'll check for this one, and then we'll check for this one. That will make more sense. Yeah, let's not check for game over first itself because you might, if it is found in the last word, that means that you'll obviously get it wrong. Yeah, now let's start the game again. That's words. So let's now enough goofing around. Let's directly do. Yeah, we have to have four chances. So W O R D. Okay, I played a bit too fast. Head switch. So let's directly do Q U I C. Let's wait two chances and we'll put K. Yeah, you have zero chance left. And what we'll do? Yeah, I think it's better that we move this entire thing in its own function and then we call that function because that will look more cleaner also. We call it validate end because it's actually the ending of the game. And what we'll do? Yeah, let's not do that in its own function because again you have to check the state also. So what we'll do, we'll directly cut this part and actually print it over here. Yeah, now it will make more sense. Now let's again start the match. With WORD, let's goof around and yes, yeah, that's what I wanted to see. That looks good. Let's okay. Words came again, so QWE won't work. So W, yeah, game over report. Yeah, you have successfully implemented Wordle. That feels good. That feels really good. Now, yeah, what we'll do? Yeah, see, let's just play a few games, and what we'll do is rather than hard coding these words also, yeah, we'll do kind of hard coding, but just 4 words is boring. So, yeah, I thought of a very good thing now itself. So, we'll have this to be zero. And what we'll do, we'll have one more called generate words. So, what we'll do is we will actually take a lot of data and then just filter out all the unrequired things and then set it to words. So, let's call that. Yeah, I think this is a really good thing to do. So, what we can do, what we'll do is let me open Wikipedia or something and yeah, let's look at Tesla, not Walkie Wiki. Yeah, what we'll do is that yeah, we'll actually take entire text. Yeah, what we'll do is yeah, this is actually a really cool idea again. So we'll just take the text and yeah, because it has a pretty popular person. So there is a lot of text. Yeah, we'll do one thing. We'll directly create a word.txt and paste the entire thing over here and save it. And now what we'll do in Wordle, we will read that and then yeah, we'll actually have a set to check so that we don't have duplicates in our array. And we'll directly read from that, what do you call, words.txt. And so for that, let's just have tick word. And inside tick word, what we'll do, here is my pick word. Yeah, dot. Let me generate the words over here. So yeah, and then yeah, I hope you understood the flow from main to display, play to pick word, and pick word to generate words. Let's just check if it is actually reaching. Okay, yeah. Why? Okay, we'll just not take care of this for now. Yeah, it's coming over here. That is happening because we actually have the length to be zero, and we are trying to access the self-dot word length is also zero, and which is something which you don't want now because word length is also zero, and accessing the zeroth position will actually give you index out of one error. Yeah, what we'll do is open the what is the file name word.txt in read mode as a file. Okay, okay. Let's not get disturbed. Yeah. So what we'll do, we'll have a content variable over here. Content is actually an empty array. No, it's an empty string. So content equal to f dot read. Yeah, now let's just print out the first 5 words from everything till 0 to 5. Yeah, is it? It's exit, not clear. Yeah. Okay, let's what we'll do is yeah, Nicole, as you see, the first it is not actually the first 5 letters. It is actually yeah, it is actually the first 5 letters, but we actually want the first 5 words. So what we'll do, yeah, we'll directly do content is we'll split the entire content dot with the delimiter as space. Yeah, Nikola Tesla, this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now what we'll do, we'll iterate through the sentence for each word in sentence, not sentence, content. So what we'll do? Only if the length of, because since Wordle general has each letter to be of length 5, so if the length of word is also equal to 5, so what we'll do, we'll have a valid word, we'll have it like this, because again we have to check, because we obviously don't want this and all, backslash and the special characters and all, yeah. So what we'll do, for each letter, letter in word, so what we'll do is, again, letter dot is alpha. I hope you remember it. Is alpha is a method which will just check if the given letter is an alphabet. So internally, what it will do is we can directly check it out also. Just hiding the implementation over here. So what it will do is it will just check the ASCII value and see if it is in the range of the small a to capital A, small a to small z, and capital A to capital Z, 97 to 122, and 65 to 65 plus 26. Yeah, if it is an alphabet, so what we'll do, valid word is equal to letter dot lower. Yeah, we'll just convert it to lowercase and append it to our valid word. Else, what we'll do, directly break out of the for loop. So by now, if the letter was, if all the 5 letters were like actual, if the length was 5 and they were not containing special characters and all, it would be like the valid word would have that letter. So again, do another checking. If valid word, the length of the valid word. Now what will happen is that even Nicola will be included over here. No, Nicola won't be included, but still, if it was a 5 letter word with some special character, then the special character would be removed over here. The length of the valid word, if it becomes equal to 5, that means that it is actually a 5 letter word which is valid also. So we'll add it to set. We'll add the it's not the word, it is valid word. Yeah, let's just print out the set over here. Is present. And again, it's not set over here, it's is present. And yeah, that looks so good. Let's go. All the 5 letter words filtered out. You just wrote your first filtering function, and it contains no weird things. So yeah, dot add remove clear update copy different system. So now what we'll do is that we'll convert this is present to an array. There might be, yeah, I don't know if it is. Let's check it out. Yeah, I can directly use list of my set. Yeah, not everyone will know anything. Let's just do uh, is present is equal to list of is present, and we'll just move this line down and just check it out. Save it, and yeah, that's converted to an array list array. So what we'll do, self dot word is actually the list, and self dot word length is actually length of self dot words minus 1. And now we can actually uncomment this out, and we can actually uncomment this out, and now our game should not be broken. Yeah, the actual word is David, and let's just check again. It's again brown alien. Yeah, we are getting 5 letter words UNITS, and you can't put units. You have to put one by one. UNITS. Let's go. Let's go. Once more. It's coils. So COILS, and yeah, CO. Yes, yes. Okay. Oh no, what might it be? ILO. Yes. Yeah, UILS. So what we'll do is that we will actually play. Yeah, since we went through such trouble, we will play one game and then end the video. And if you want hard mode, you can directly reduce the number of chances to two or three. So yeah, start it. Okay, pilot a word. And according to some video which I saw, when Wordle was in its hype and your eyes playing, and salad or slate was the best word to use. Oh, wait a minute. It was not actually going word by word like this. Now I remember. Okay, my bad. It's not that you put single word and it will give you the actual word. You will actually put the entire word and then it will break the entire word and then check it out. Okay, it has been so long I played the game that I misremembered the rules. Now we have to actually modify our method also. Yeah, where is that? Equal start game. Yeah. So what we have to do? Hmm, how can we modify it? So first, what you have to do is you have to remove the file letter checking. Okay, I made a very big blunder, and it is in. Yeah, it's not letter input. It's the actual word itself, and word length of word is not equal to 5. What you have to do? Continue the prompt to put a 5 letter word. Yeah, and it must be a 5 letter word. And let's change it. Length of word is not equal to again. Yeah, 5. Again, it will be word over here. And I think now what you have to do, this entire the other parts remains the same, but we have to remove this method because that method is wrong. So now again, just teach what you have to do. You have to take the entire word and then yeah. So what we'll do, we'll go through each letter in the word, and I think now we can directly use another set rather than doing the two formats. What we can do is we can use a set to no. We have to actually have two formats itself to verify the placeholder places. So what we'll do for letter in, yeah, if the given letter for, yeah, we'll call it L1 and L2. For L2, mm, actual word, what I have called the generated word, I think. Game word, yeah. If word at the position L1, if it becomes equal to game word at the position L2, so what you have to do? Replace the placeholder of that point. Placeholder at the position. mm which position you have to replace? Not of L2, but L1. You have to replace with what at the position L1. I think just let's just check it out. Yeah, let's print the cell game word also. It's taken. So let's have 80. 80. Yeah, I think I'm replacing. This should be L2. L2. Yeah, I was actually replacing the wrong thing. I don't know why. So it's found. So let's make it found. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. So mount. Oh no, it's not mount. What can it be? Found, mount, found. Oh yeah, let's go. That's what you want to see again. I can't believe I made such a big blunder. I forgot the rules of Wordle. So it's award. So power alert AWR. Yeah, let's go. I can't believe I made such a big blunder. My God. Yeah. Now actually, yeah. Let's just play one game for fun. Okay. Yeah. Now let me go on with my older monologue. What I learned is that slate was the best word to be used. Slate. Yeah. AST. Okay. Esther. What is that word, man? That's AST blank R. Is it an actual English word or did it just pick up some French word or something? Aster. Yeah. Okay. That was close. That was close. Let's do once more. That was fun. So we'll do slate again. E E M E. Yeah, actually, what you can do is there is an library called NLTK, and NLTK actually has like many valid words. So yeah, if you don't want person to spam random words, we can actually use NLTK. So now what I can use? Yeah, I can use QWERT and YUIOP. Yeah, see, and it was actually every. Yeah, let's go. And if you don't want these things to happen, you can actually use NLTK and tell, yeah, if only if the given word is a valid English word, then use it, or else don't use that. Yeah, because of my blunder, the video actually become a bit long, but I hope it was fun for me also, and I hope it was fun for you also. And yeah, I think that's all for it today. Yeah, it was actually like really fun, and this is again a fun game which you can do and play by yourself. Yeah, bye. Grind more things and try to learn new things as much as possible. Bye.